Now, this third habit is a opposite of the previous habit, which is companionship, but with the condition that they are on the same path. So if this companionship includes that these people are in the same path, then these people can actually help you shape that pace and that path that you are trying to partake. So let's say that now, for example, you want to learn the Arabic language and you are on the same type of time and the same type of beat than this person. You can send him this video and say, look, this is what we need to do every day after work. We need to meet up, or we need to meet up online, or whatever it might be, and find a teacher perhaps and go over this book together and then do the revision together. And for me personally, the reason why this helped me is because at that time I had a very motivated and mujtahid student with me. His name was Saeed, and he was from France, and his origins were from Cambodia. I don't know what this brother is doing, so I'm mentioning all of these details. Perhaps somebody from France can help me find him. But he was, looking back, a big reason why I progressed so fast, because I looked at him, he was more advanced than me. I looked at him, what he was doing, I wanted to do as well. What he was memorizing, I wanted to memorize as well. And that literally shaped my pace. So having a companion that is on the same path will help you do that and be faster as well. Because when everybody is moving towards the same or at a faster speed and pace than you and going towards the same direction, then the effort feels normal instead of you fighting on your own, and the days that you will not feel like doing it, the other person might feel like doing it, and then he will motivate you to do it. So companionship is one of the most important things when it comes to you speeding your performance when learning the Arabic language. And now we get